Do you find it difficult to mention location on your snap on Snapchat before you send it? Then if this is what you're looking for on how to fix or how to solve the problem, then this video is going to walk you through entirely how to mention location on Snapchat. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to mention location on Snapchat, there are two ways to do this. If you use PC or if you use mobile phone, the fastest approach is using your mobile phone, and you can use the sticker menu to mention location on your Snapchat. So the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Here, you either want to record a snap or you want to take a snap. So let's say I want to take a snap. Then what I want to do here is I want to take a photo of myself. So let me just go ahead and use the dual camera. Then here, just quickly take a photo of myself like this. So this is the snap I want to add or mention location on. Then once you take the snap just like this, the next one to do is go ahead and click on the sticker icon. Now once you click on the sticker icon, for me to be able to mention location, all I just need to do is come under the second option, which is like star icon, and then locate location, and then click on it. Then here I will be able to add a particular location. You can see I have a suggested location. Then if I want to mention another location on this particular snaps, I can just go ahead and then mention the location. So let's say, let me just search for location I want to mention on the snap like this. Then click on it. Then you're gonna see it on the snap like this. I can then go ahead, make it a bit bigger to make it more visible. Then once you have like that, I can then go ahead, share this snap on your story or share this snap with your friends. Click on send to, then select the friends you want to send the snaps to. You can also send the snaps to a group chat like this. Then click on send, and then you should see the snap sent to this particular person, and then you can say this is the location, and I use their camera. So that is basically how to mention location on Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.